Have whirlpool cabrio dryer. Press start, get a humming noise and the sensing light comes on. I cleaned out the clogged vent tube and replaced the thermo fuse, but no change.
Hello, I'm Joel and we'll be glad to help you today. That could be caused by several different things. There could be something stuck in the blower while causing it to hang the motor up. It could be just that the belt is broke and the motor is running but the tub is just not turning. Or it could be a bad motor. Where is the humming noise coming from? And please give me the model number of the dryer so I can give you model specific information to figure out what the issue is. Thanks.
Model WID 6200 SW1. Not sure where the humming is coming from exactly. Heating element gets hot. I took the vent apart and made sure the blower could turn.
I uploaded the service manual for you so you can have the disassembly instructions if you need them after taking it apart and inspecting everything. If nothing seems broke or does not have the motor locked up, see page 6.6 and 6-7 for test number 3 drive motor circuit to figure out if the motor is bad or the board is bad. Let me know what you find. Click here to download/open manual. Also please read below. We are on the honor system here. Rating me does not affect what you agreed to pay for the question and will not have any effect on what you have already been billed for unless you request a phone call. Feel free to get back to me with any questions you may have, but in the meantime I would appreciate you going ahead and rating the answer, as this is the only way I get compensated for my time. Thanks. After you have rated/voted the answer, you will be sent an email with a link that will allow you to get back to me for any follow-up questions free of charge. It will not close the question. Please know, I have nothing to do with your payment to the site and did not receive that money. I am just a technician on the site that is here to help assist you and have nothing to do with billing. Note: please read. When you rate/vote my answer, you have to click on the star vote/rate system at the top of your screen. Thank you. Tips are not expected but are greatly appreciated.
I am unable to access the manual from my computer. I tried starting the dryer with the door open while holding the switch closed. No change, but when I turn the drum by hand it will continue on its own.
Okay, so that means the motor is just weak and needs to be replaced. After it runs a while and you stop it and try to start it again and it makes that hum noise that is indicative of a bad motor. Motor part #####, click here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.